United Shipbuilding Corporation is the largest shipbuilding holding in Russia, the world's leading producer of naval equipment. USC comprises more than 40 design and manufacturing enterprises, spreading from the Baltic Sea to the Pacific Ocean, accounting for 80% of domestic shipbuilding assets. USC is Russia's key defense contractor. The corporation has a 95% share of the country's naval shipbuilding. A strong research and production base, combined with the introduction of innovations for building high-tech ships, gives USC a competitive advantage in the global market for naval shipbuilding. We have the opportunity to pool the production and human resources of several enterprises into a single workflow, using the distributed shipyard concept. Our design bureaus have an international reputation and vast experience of innovation in the field of shipbuilding and manufacturing of marine equipment. We carry out a long-term program for the construction of multi-purpose surface ships, supply vessels, as well as modern conventional and nuclear submarines for the needs of the Russian Navy. We provide high-quality maintenance and repair services for both military and civilian fleets and offer customers a partnership covering the entire product life cycle. We are actively involved in foreign trade contracts under the aegis of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation of the Russian Federation and Rosaboron Export, offering foreign customers a wide range of surface ships and submarines. In 2016, USC was authorized to conduct foreign trade activity regarding the supply of equipment, spare parts, material, and provision of services for military purposes. This will allow us to improve the efficiency of order fulfillment to our customers. Our strategic objective is to provide domestic and foreign customers with reliable, high-tech and competitive naval shipbuilding products. United Shipbuilding Corporation. Strength and power at sea.